Mount Vernon Airport, 737 Charlie Zulu is taxiing to runway 5.
Mount Vernon.
Oh, yeah.
It's Mount Vernon traffic, not airport.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, when you're talking local traffic, you start with the name of the airport traffic and end it with. So Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu, taxiing to runway 5, Mount Vernon traffic. Just so in case somebody's like, who was that? Or what was that for?
Right.
Yeah.
Which airport?
Yeah. All right, go ahead and make your call.
Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu is crossing runway 3315, Mount Vernon traffic.
Yep, that's exactly how it's done. And then we
Mount Vernon traffic, repeat.
737 Charlie Zulu is crossing runway 3315, Mount Vernon traffic. Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu is departing runway 5, Mount Vernon traffic.
All right, final is clear. All right, runway 5 verifies both places. Mixture is good, gas is on, full power. We are making full power. These are all in the green. Airspeed's coming alive. 50, 60, rotate.
Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu is departing to the south, climbing to 4500. Mount Vernon traffic.
And you should be able to see them on left downwind at some point.
I was looking for her.
Yeah.
Kansas City Center, 737 Charlie Zulu with request.
Call sign in Zulu, say it one more time.
737 Charlie Zulu.
737 Charlie Zulu.
I believe that's a Cessna. 737 Charlie Zulu, Kansas City Center. Good afternoon. Squawk 1172.
1172.
1172 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Go ahead and tell them what you want to do and who you are, where you are.
737 Charlie Zulu is a Cessna 172. We are south of the Mount Vernon Airport, heading, at 3,200.
Going to Cape Girardeau.
Going to Cape Girardeau. That's Charlie Golf India.
4,500.
For 4,500.
That's it.
Skyhawk 737 Charlie Zulu, Kansas City Center. Thank you very much. Mount Vernon altimeter 3014, radar contact 5 miles south, Mount Vernon.
14. Altimeter 3014 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
That's it.
Carbondale 294 Foxtrot, Kansas City Center. Good afternoon. Thanks for the patience. Advise having information with Carbondale.
That's how it's done.
It's a lot of info, though, to give them.
Yeah, but that's just the initial call.
Yeah.
Because they have no idea who 737 Charlie Zulu is. They want to know what kind of speed to expect them, you know?
Right.
So, like, they want to know if we're a Cirrus, we're a Bonanza, are we slow, are we fast?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we at right now?
Where are we at? Yeah, so they can find you.
Okay,
what altitude do we want to travel at?
Coming to Squawk VFR and bridge exchange approved. Good day.
Squawk VFR, change frequency, November 788 Foxtrot, Tango.
Yeah, it's just that initial call is a mouthful.
Right.
But really, once you've done it once or twice, it's the same thing. You're just telling them who you are and what you want. That's it.
Right.
So who you are, what you want, and then you want to tell them where you are so they can find you on the screen.
Right.
But that's, I mean, you did it right. That's exactly how it's done.
294 Foxtrot, thank you. I wasn't even aware it was X-ray. I appreciate it, guys. Skyhawk 7 Charlie Zulu, change to my frequency 127.47, please.
127.47 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Oh. All right. And let them know you're on 127.47 now.
737 Charlie Zulu is checking in on 127.47.
Thank you. Skyhawk 7 Charlie Zulu, traffic 2 to 3 o'clock and 3.5 miles southeastbound. Altitude indicates 4,100.
Tell them you're looking. 737 Charlie Zulu looking.
Looking for traffic for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Thank you. ERJ 0 Delta X.
4,100 feet below us.
Decent at 8,000.
2 to 3 o'clock.
100 Delta Echo. Thank you.
2 to 3 o'clock, so he's going to be 400 feet below us. He's about 2 miles, 1 to 2 miles out. Okay, I got him. Is that him right there? Yep.
Yeah.
Tell him you have the traffic inside 3 o'clock.
Traffic in sight, 3 o'clock for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Cessna, or Skyhawk 7 Charlie Zulu, thank you so much. Additional traffic 1 o'clock and 4.5 miles southeastbound. Altitude indicates 3,300.
You're looking for that one.
Looking for traffic for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Thank you.
So
2 Bravo Whiskey, contact Kansas City Center 120.82. Good day.
that guy's below us,
he's pretty
so
low.
not worried about that guy. We want to keep an eye on him.
Okay.
Looks like he's deviating behind us. He actually turned away.
Okay.
He's
There he
right,
is, I
yep.
see him.
Tell him he got him inside 1 o'clock. 12
Traffic in sight for 737 Charlie Zulu.
o'clock.
Skyhawk 737 Charlie Zulu, thank you very much. I appreciate the eagle eyes there.
Okay, so 140 at 8 knots is the winds.
Okay.
So we
Skyhawk
got
7 Charlie Zulu, contact Memphis Center 133.65. Good day.
133.65 for 737 Charlie Zulu. Good day.
Bye-bye.
There you go. Memphis Center.
Memphis Center, this is November 737 Charlie Zulu, checking it in at 4,500. We have weather for Cape Girardeau. Thank you.
737 Charlie Zulu, Memphis Center, roger. Good afternoon. Maintain VFR, the Cape Girardeau altimeter 3010. Is this going to be a full stop?
Yes.
3010, and yes, full stop.
Roger.
Memphis Center, 737 Charlie Zulu has the airport in sight.
737 Charlie Zulu, roger. No known reserved traffic between you and the Cape Girardeau Airport. Radar sensors terminated. Change of advisory frequency approved. Squawk VFR. Have a good day.
Okay, squawking VFR.
Walking VFR for 737 Charlie Zulu. Good day.
Oh, so now we're going to squawk 1200.
Okay.
Boom.
November 7.
Cape Tower, 737 Charlie Zulu is 13 miles to the north, inbound for a complete stop.
737 Charlie Zulu, report 2 miles out for runway 10.
We'll report 2 mile out.
Report 2 miles out for runway 10. Cape Tower, November 737 Charlie Zulu is on a 2.5 mile final, full stop at the FBO. 737 Charlie Zulu.
Land 10.
You're clear to land 10.
Cleared to land on 10 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
All right, so. Okay, gas undercarriage, mixture, seatbelts, runway 10, we're clear to land. Or high. And 20 degrees of flaps. Copy's coming on. All right, let's lower down to 70. That's good. I think I can make that first taxiway. That's Alpha 1.
Probably, maybe. I don't think so.
I think we can. That's going to be Alpha 1. Yeah, I think we can. All right, 70 checks. Short final, 65 bird under. right under me. Alright, runway is made, power to idle. I'll get the runway, the taxi instructions, because he might.
Seven three seven Charlie Zulu, right on Alpha, cross 20 on Alpha, down to Bravo and parking.
Right on Alpha, cross 20 on Alpha, and then Bravo to parking for 737 Charlie Zulu, thanks. Alright, cool. That's it. Alright, I kind of want to get there before, I think the FBO closes at 5. So can you, as soon as we get there, can you run and get the gate code? Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Job. There's Peters.
With his kids. Boys are out there running around.
Job. Alright, he's putting me on that T. Oh, avionics are coming off.